Hey guys, this is Justy Patroni. We're starting the airport update. Let's see. This is the domestic terminal. Terminal for the AirAsia Zest. Terminal for AirAsia Zest. We called AirAsia Zest. Tiger Air Jetstar and also Cebu Pacific. Tiger Air Dolphins and Cebu Pacific. Let's see that. This is our cargo center. This is for the cargo airlines. Terminal 1. That's for the low-cost carrier. Terminal 1 is used for area for low-cost carrier. Terminal 2, it was used for the Star Alliance area. Terminal 3, BR and Y Alliance area. Terminal 4, it's for the Philippine Airlines SkyTeam and OneWorld area. This is our airport parking. The runway 2. This is a water. Lots of water of it. The road is the airport expressway from Subic City, Subic area, Subic districts. This is the rail link and also people movers. This is my master plan. Thank you.